Welcome back to the channel. As most of you know, we have installed the VMP/Whipple Gen 6 3.0 Supercharger on Space Coast. Damn, that's a mouthful. Today, we're going to take you to the track, show you what the car ran. We're going to talk about it. So here's the deal. We didn't take a lot of footage outside of just passes. And the reason being is because we made a lot of passes. I think we made 7 or 8 passes that night. So we ended up entering in one of the races. This is actually one of my favorite competitions that we have at our local track, which is Friday Night Lights Out. So what this is you get 2 slips, everybody gets 2, and then you negotiate how many you want to run for, how many links. At the end of the night, whoever's got the most wins. I will tell you that it come down to us and a Tesla. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'll drop in from time to time, comment on some of these passes for you. Now, spoiler alert, I'm going to go ahead and let you know our first pass was the best pass of the night. And I think I know why. After watching the footage, the track was a lot better prepped. It wasn't all muddied up from all the dirt and everything else from street tires and stuff like that. And also, I didn't launch the car as hard. I was very easy on it because I was thinking about the half shafts in the back. I didn't want to break them. And we ran a 680 something. I can't remember. You'll see it on the screen. Car ran really good, but I knew it had more power in it. So I got cocky. And I started overheating the tires, and I started launching harder, and it just got worse and worse and worse.
Look at them in hot as hell. Y'all ready for some cool weather? Y'all be drinking them pumpkin spice lattes? How about that pumpkin spice latte? You wear this shirt right here while you ripping them gears and spinning them tires. Everybody in the whole town like, damn, boy, you clean. And you're going to be like, yeah, I got that shit over there, the drag swag. If they don't know what that is, go on and send them the link. Shit.
So here are just some random passes throughout the night. So on this pass, you can hear the car wheel hopped really bad. So there again, track's going away. I'm overheating the tires. I'm leaving too hard. You know, hey, look, I know this is an automatic car, but there's still a lot to learn. So don't let anybody take it away from you unless it is an all-out just race car on a trans brake. Look, these street cars, you have to figure these things out, okay? Everybody's going to ask, we are on Nitto 555 R2s. I know y'all hate those tires. I actually really like them because they're good in wet weather. They're not the stickiest tire, no. So this is where we started to enter the race. Now, one of the first races was a heads-up race with a supercharged F-150. Now, this is a friend of mine, Rick Lay. He owns Rick's Automotive and Custom Exhaust. I won't tell you what the damn thing runs, but it's quick.
Okay, I'll take that. I bet he beat the truck by a buck. I bet he beat the truck.
I want to say my next race was with the Golf. Now, that little car will haul ass. It's fast. This car's somewhere in the 697 range, I think, something like that. So I did not know the car that good yet. I knew he was fast. He asked what I wanted. I said, hey, just give me the hit. So I took the hit, and we come out with a W.
No, he said that. Yeah, he gets the hit. I still bet it, man. Fuck. The Mustang. I mean, who you like?
Hey, what you want on? You want 20? I got a Mustang.
Hell no, I already bet it. I ain't looking.
All right.
I'll say 20.
So let's talk about this Tesla race. I'm not sure what kind of Tesla this was. I heard some people say it was a Plaid. I'm not up to snuff on the Tesla, so I don't know. I know it was beautiful. It was a badass looking car, really fast. So let's talk about this race. So I had the most tickets at the moment, and I raced him basically for everything. It was getting late at night. I think I had to work the next day, and we were just kind of tired. The car was hot. It wasn't going to run a good number. We had already figured that out, and this Tesla's obviously a low 6-second car. So I just said, you know what, man, give me a length and a hit, and we'll just call it a night. You take all my tickets, whatever. So that's what we did. I think nobody would run him. I think he actually only had the 2 tickets that he started with because nobody would run the Tesla. Maybe if I'd have asked for 3 in the hit, we probably could have pulled it off, but if I'm being honest with you, I mean, who wants to win that way, right? I hated even having to take a length and the hit, but let's just be real. That was not even going to be a race. So I figured, hey, you know what? You can luck up on the fuck up.
Yeah.
Either way, guys, it was a fun event. I enjoyed it. And I've had a lot of people ask, too, while we're on the subject, so I'll just throw something up on the screen for you guys to watch while we talk for a second. I've had a lot of people say, man, you need to bring your Fox bodies to the track. All I ever see is the Coyote. There's a reason. It's easier. I don't have to worry about breaking parts. Well, I don't have to worry as much about breaking parts. You know, people say, well, take the Retro. Guys, the Retro's stock. It's got stock axles, stock drive shaft, stock T5. We're going to break something if we try to make a good pass. Sure, we can slip the clutch and maybe get, high 7s, mid 7s, something like that. But it's just not worth it to me. That car wasn't built for that. The Carbon Fox, it needs a trans brake in it, guys. I'm just being completely upfront with you. It's just not going to be impressive if we take it to the track the way that it is. It might run a 770, 780. The way that it sits, if I had to guess, it's got way more potential in it, way more. It's definitely a 6-second car, but it needs a trans brake. It doesn't have enough stall. It's just that AOD is not going to work good at the track. And then now we're down to the Calypso. The Calypso is going to the track. It will be at the track. We're just not there yet. We're close. So anyway, be expecting the Calypso to make at least a few passes at the track, and then we're going to get out, out in Mexico, and we're going to see what happens. Believe it or not, doing these voiceovers are extremely confusing and aggravating. So I hope it's not too bad for you guys. I appreciate it. We're going to do a better job next time of trying to get you some footage and talk about the race kind of in between. But, man, it was an eventful night, I'll say. Very fun. I enjoyed it. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. And as always, thanks for watching.
Look at them in hot as hell. Y'all ready for some cool weather? Y'all be drinking them pumpkin spice lattes? How about that pumpkin spice latte? You wear this shirt right here while you ripping them gears and spinning them tires. Everybody in the whole town like, damn, boy, you clean. And you're gonna be like, yeah, I got that shit over there, the drag swag. If they don't know what that is, go on and send them the link. Shit.